this we are going to learn the last part of the tanker. So first you have to select the model and then make it okay. Then again, as simple, we are always selecting the sketch on which plane we are going to work. So here I am choosing the front plane. You can work with this top or the side plane. So from here I am selecting this XZ plane, the front one, and making it okay from here. Again, now we have to make a cover for those for the tanker one, the first model we have created. So from here going up, we have to create a line of 1000, making the angle of 90. Let's make it something like this one, and again going in this way, we have to go something around 1000 and make the angle of 180 like this, and let's make it this one, and let's cancel the command. From here we have to select the arc, taking this as a first point, taking this as a second point. We have to create an arc of radius 1000 and make it okay. Okay, in this way we can create. Now what we have to do is to make this as a convert to reference. Let's see in this way if it will be created or not. From here going on this revolve command, what we have to do is to select the curve first. Specify the vector we have to do in this direction, then the point, you will get a point dragging the cursor and it will create something like this. And let's make it. Now what we have to do, first make this height. Let's do it something approx like this one. Okay, so now what we have to do, first we have to make a cell of thickness 3 here. So removing the face and make it okay like this one. Let's see. Okay, fine. Now again going on the sketch command, we have to select this portion, this one. Okay, this face of the revolve and making it okay. Now you will get something like this one. Going on to the circle command, taking the center, we have to create a circle of diameter 2100 as we have done in the first model. Okay, so let's make it to the isometric view. Again going on the extrude command, we have to make this one and let's make it to 40. Okay, okay, so from here let's make it to unite. Body has been selected due to only one body presents, and let's make it to this one height. Let's see if this will work with cell or not. Otherwise we have to make the 2000 circle and then make this extrude. Okay, the view cannot be computed, no problem. Let's select the, because two different bodies have been present of different shapes, that is why. Now let's create a circle of 2000. From here selecting this one, and let's create a circle of 1997 and making it this one. Make it finish sketch, select the extrude, select this one. Let's make it a little rotate, something like this one. Reverse the direction. From here make it to subtract, distance would be 40, and let's make it okay. In this way we can create. Let's make this as a height. Okay, in this way we can do. Now again going on to the sketch command, we have to take this one and let's make it like this. Now going on to this line command, we have to create a line of center. It should be of 1025. Let's see, we have created in the last one. Okay, it is perfect. So now what we have to do is to first zoom at this point. Let's make it zoom at this point. Selecting the circle command, taking this as a point, we have to create a circle of diameter 30, 40, sorry. And let's make this line as convert to reference. Right click on this and make it to convert to reference. Make it finish sketch. Let's take the extrude, select the circle, specify the vector. This should be in the downward direction. Let's drag it out. Let's first make it rotate and make it okay. Let's see. Okay, it is perfect. So let's first hide this sketch. Right click on this and make it hide. Now again going on to the pattern feature, as we have done in the first, there should be the 36 with the angle of 360 with the span angle of. So from here make it to span distance not, we have to make the span angle. Just a second. And this one count and the pitch distance. From here let's make it first circular because we need in the circular pattern. Now we will get a something in span angle. Okay, now select the feature. From here select the last feature we have created, that extrude line. Now specify the vector. Vector should be in x-axis. Specify the point. Point should be of 0, so let's select it from this one and take the center of the point from here like this one. And let's again change the vector because we have taken the front plane. We have to, just a second, vector should be in the z direction, and make the count of 36, and let's make it okay. So in this way we can create the blocks of 36. Okay, from here we can see our third part has been successfully created. So going on to the render, let's make it the true rendering. After that we are going to make the assembly of all these. Just a second. In this way you can create the third part of the assembly. Thank you.